Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: government ID, phone, email, and your bank details. Once done, open the Gotyme app or website and create an account with a strong password. Make sure you verify your email and phone immediately by entering the codes sent to you. Then select the card type you want and start the application form. This is where you enter basic identity items so the system can pre-fill later steps and speed verification. You now complete the more detailed verification. Type your legal name, date of birth, and address exactly as shown on your ID, plus your SSN or tax ID if requested. Next, upload crisp photos of your ID and a live selfie. Allow camera access and follow framing prompts. After documents, set your card PIN and link a funding source for initial loading. Make sure to read fee and limit disclosures before proceeding, you finish by accepting terms and confirming your funding method. The system may post a small verification charge you must confirm. Once confirmed, activate the card inside the app, load funds as needed, and enable contactless or mobile wallet settings if available. Make sure to check your balance and set transaction alerts. If something goes wrong, like verification failing, retry clear, well-lit uploads, clear the app cache, and contact support with the error ID so they can escalate your case quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.